I was full of doubt. When I was 14, this was before Kadenang Ginto was offered to me. When I was 14, I remember kasi breadwinner ako. Talaga ang sinasabi ko sa era ko na yon, drought era. Kasi wala akong projects. Pag ganun-ganun lang, hindi enough to survive. Hindi enough to give for a family of 5. Tapos ako lang, tapos 14 lang ako. So at that time, di ko alam saan papunta yung career ko. I never doubted my talent though. I knew I had talent. I knew I was given and I was blessed with a talent to act and to reach other people's hearts. Pero doubtful ako sa career ko. Di ko alam saan na. Kasi nag-analiza ako nagbida na ako, tapos medyo super stagnant na lang, ganyan. Syempre gusto ko pa magbida, gusto ko pa may marating ako.